Most content creators skip this and then wonder why they're not growing. Before you obsess over gear, editing, or even thumbnails, ask yourself, do you actually know who you're creating videos for? If you're unclear, you're not alone, but that one missing piece could be the thing holding your channel back. This is the very first task on my 25 quick wins for YouTube growth checklist, and it might sound too simple to matter, but trust me, it is not. I want you to write down 10 sentences about your audience. Maybe you're in a position that you don't yet know who your audience is. You're not getting comments yet. You don't have the audience info available yet in your YouTube analytics, and that's fine, because even if you do have that stuff, that information is still going to be really limited. So we're going to use our imaginations to fill in the blanks. Who do you want your audience to be? Why does this actually even matter? Having a clear picture of who your audience is and what their pain points are is going to give you so much more clarity around what kind of videos you should be making. We can start with the information that YouTube thinks is important, like where do they live and how old are they? But we do need to go deeper than that. First off, let's think about their goals and aspirations. What do they want to achieve? What drives them? A lot of people come to YouTube because they want to be entertained, but they also come here because they want to learn something new, or they want to find a community. They want to improve a skill or just escape and relax. What are your people coming to YouTube for? Is it inspiration, education, or distraction? I want you to literally get out a pen and paper or type it somewhere that you can refer back to it. Don't worry, you don't have to show this homework to anyone. This is just for you, and you're going to come back to this and update it as things become clearer for you. So just feel free to go wild with this. None of this is going to be set in stone. So now you know why your people are coming to YouTube. Next, we want to think about their frustrations and pain points. In relation to your niche, what's bothering them? What are they struggling to solve or figure out or feel better about? We also want to work out where they're at in their journey with that. Like, as in, are they beginners, or are they hobbyists, or are they really serious about improvement? Are they looking for quick answers, or do they want to go deep? Are they feeling confident, or maybe they're having a lot of doubts? How can your content best support them with that? Next up, what types of content do they usually watch? Are they watching shorts or long form? Are they watching live streams? Perhaps they're like me and they watch a little bit of everything. What device are they mainly watching on? Someone who's watching from bed at night or while they're relaxing on their couch is likely in a pretty different headspace to someone who's sitting down at their desk with their computer to watch. One is maybe more in a focused learning space than another. The next thing's a pretty big one, folks. Values and beliefs. What matters most to them? Acceptance, authenticity, taking care of the planet, success. What does success even look like to them? Humor, beauty, health, family, personal growth, making money. Crafting yourself a really clear picture of your ideal audience does not, of course, guarantee that this is exactly who your videos are going to attract, but getting really clear about this helps us to make the right videos. This can change and shift over time as your audience does start to reveal more and more who they are and what's helpful to them. You want to be thinking every time you make your videos, can this help them somehow in their journey to achieving their goals? It could be in big ways or in seemingly small ways. Can your videos help them solve or cope with their problems in some way? Hopefully, the answer to that is always yes. So that's your task. Write 10 sentences about the person you want to reach. Don't overthink it, just write. But if you do this, you stop making content for everyone and start making videos that actually connect. That's what turns viewers into subscribers, into community. And once you've done that, you can grab the full list of 25 quick wins for YouTube growth. It's linked in the description and it is free. There are 24 more practical things you can do today to move your channel forward without getting overwhelmed or burnt out. Let's grow our channels one clear step at a time.